Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to draw a pumpkin fish. Things you need for this video is going to be paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into this video.
First thing we're going to do for pumpkin fish is going to be the pumpkin head. So we're going to draw a big circle right here, 2 lines, a little body right here, a big fin, a line right here, and one right here. It's gonna have a big head. And then we're gonna start with the actual sketch. So right here, we're gonna draw a big oval, another big oval, and then right here, we're gonna draw like a big crack right here because that's where the fish's head's going. And if you just keep doing that until you can't see it anymore. And you just draw the bumps right here. Then a little stem right here with some lines. Then a triangle face. And you could draw like it looks like it's lines right here. Then we would draw a tooth, another tooth, a tooth, another tooth, and then another one. And you can draw one of those like gaps right there. And you can draw some lines right there. Like that. Then you could draw like a nose right here. Why does this look kind of good? Then we're gonna draw the fish body. It's gonna be like this, like a normal fish body that you would draw. And maybe you could draw like a little trick or treat basket right here with the pumpkin on it. You could draw some like circles in there for the treats. You could draw the face right there with like treats. Like that for Halloween. Because Halloween is coming up. And you can draw some like lines for like some detail right there. So yeah, let's get our colors. You're gonna need 2 oranges, yellow, then this like tannish brownish color, a brown. So yeah, these should be all your colors for our skeleton fish. Super scary. So yeah, let's get coloring and outlining. Ka-chow! And that's how you draw your pumpkin fish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.